Hello and welcome back to IXL Tutorials. This is Mr. Duffick, and today we are going to be doing IXL N5, which is just graphing different quadrilaterals. So these problems start off pretty easy. They just ask you to basically draw the shape on the graph, and they give you all of the points, which is nice. And then once you get higher up with your SMART score, you're going to find that they're only going to give you 2 or 3 of the points, and they'll ask you to draw a shape, and you'll have to figure out what the last point is. So we'll start with this one, and it says to graph the square with vertices 8, 9, negative 4, 7, negative 2, negative 5, and 10, negative 3. So this one is just as easy as plotting the points. So we'll start with 8, 9 first. 8, 9. Then we'll go to negative 4, 7, so negative 4, 7. Then we'll go to negative 2, negative 5, so negative 2 and negative 5. And then we'll finish with 10, negative 3, so 10, negative 3. Okay, just like that, you can see it's a square. We'll submit it. That's going to be correct. Okay, so I won't waste your time graphing a bunch of this stuff. Just graph all of these points, put them on there, and click submit. It's just as easy as that. Now I will skip up to a higher score because this is one of the problems where they only give you 3 of the vertices, 3 of the points, and you gotta graph it anyway, or know what the quadrilateral is. So this one is a rhombus, and that means the shape is going to have all 4 equal sides. So we'll start by plotting these 4 points. So we'll go negative 4, positive 8, right here. Then we'll go to negative 4, 3, so here. Then we'll go to negative 8, 0, so here. And then we need to graph a point that will make all 4 sides of this shape equal, because it's a quadrilateral, right? So that looks accurate right there. But just to be sure, we're going to do some counting. So we know over here on the left vertical line right there, needs to be the same distance vertically as our line right here. So if we count, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we count our left vertical side, it should be 5 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that's going to be correct. Okay, if you wanted to prove the other 2 sides were also 5, unfortunately, you'd have to do distance formula or use triangles or something like that, because you can't just count like this. To count like we just did, it either has to be a vertical line or a horizontal line. So that's going to be a rhombus. That's what it looks like to me anyway. Good. Okay, now draw the vertices of a parallelogram. So we'll do negative 10, 8, negative 10, 8, and then negative 5, 8, so negative 5, 8, then negative 3, 4. Okay. And then we need to draw our last point to where it makes a parallelogram. So remember, a parallelogram is a shape with both opposite sides. Both pairs of opposite sides are going to be parallel to each other. So something like that. So you see the 2 top, the top and the bottom side are going to be parallel, and then the left and the right side are going to be parallel as well. So that should make a parallelogram. Now that looks a little bit off. So I'm going to try moving it back 1, and that looks a lot better. That actually looks like a parallelogram. So you want to be very careful, because that would have been wrong and your score is going to go down. So just double check, look it over and make sure it looks correct. Good. Okay, let me try jumping. Vertices of rectangle or this, same deal. I'm going to jump again to 90, and parallelogram with it. Yeah, same exact kind of problem. So I'm going to leave you here then, because it is the same problem throughout pretty much the entire IXL. So stay safe, study hard, and I'll catch you on the next IXL tutorial. See you later, and goodbye.